Have you ever wondered if time travel is real? Could it already be happening around us without us even realizing it? Throughout history, there have been mysterious anomalies, unexplained events, and bizarre encounters that hint at the possibility of time travelers walking among us. While most people believe time travel is a concept born in science fiction, ancient civilizations may have encountered time travelers long before modern technology existed. Take the Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic written over 5,000 years ago. It tells the story of King Kakudmi, who traveled to meet Lord Brahma in the heavens. But when he returned to Earth, thousands of years had passed in just a few moments. This is eerily similar to modern concepts of time dilation, where time moves slower in certain conditions, like near a black hole. Even in the Bible, there are strange events that resemble time travel. The prophet Jeremiah reportedly had an encounter where a young boy, Abimelech, was sent on an errand, and when he returned, 66 years had passed. Yet he had not aged a day. Is it possible that our ancestors witnessed time travelers and recorded their experiences as myths? Fast forward to modern history, and we start seeing photographic anomalies that some believe prove time travelers have visited different time periods. One of the most famous cases is the 1941 time-traveling hipster photo. The image, taken at the reopening of a bridge in Canada, shows a man wearing modern sunglasses, a graphic t-shirt, and holding what looks like a portable camera. Items that were decades ahead of their time. Another chilling case is the Charlie Chaplin time traveler film. In the DVD extras of his 1928 movie The Circus, a woman is seen holding an object to her ear, resembling a mobile phone. But in 1928, cell phones didn't exist. If it's not a trick of the light, could this be an actual time traveler caught on camera? And then there's the mystery of the Swiss watch found in a 400-year-old Chinese tomb. Archaeologists in 2008 discovered a tiny, perfectly preserved Swiss watch inside a sealed, undisturbed tomb from the Ming Dynasty. The watch was engraved with the word Swiss. But how did 20th century Swiss technology end up in a tomb from the 1500s? Are these coincidences, hoaxes, or real proof of time travelers? No discussion on time travel is complete without talking about John Titor, one of the most controversial and detailed time travel cases in internet history. In 2000, a man calling himself John Titor appeared on an online forum, claiming to be a time traveler from the year 2036. He provided detailed descriptions of his time machine, predictions of world events, and warnings about the future. Titor claimed that in his timeline, a civil war broke out in the US in 2004. The world suffered from nuclear conflicts in 2015. The government was hiding advanced time travel technology from the public. Many dismissed his claims as a hoax, but shockingly, some of his predictions later turned out to be eerily accurate, like rising tensions in the US, advancements in quantum computing, and growing concerns over artificial intelligence. Could John Titor have been a real time traveler from a parallel timeline? Or was he just an elaborate hoax? Time travel isn't just a theory. Some believe that governments around the world have already been experimenting with it. One of the most infamous cases is the Philadelphia experiment, a supposed US Navy project during World War II. According to legend, in 1943, the USS Eldridge was fitted with advanced technology to render it invisible to enemy radar. But something went terribly wrong. The ship reportedly teleported 200 miles in an instant and reappeared. Some accounts even claim that sailors were fused into the metal of the ship or went completely insane. Another chilling theory is the Montauk Project, which some say was a top-secret military experiment involving time travel, mind control, and interdimensional portals. Allegedly, the US government worked on these experiments at Camp Hero in Montauk, New York, using techniques inspired by Nazi scientists brought over after World War II. Could the world's most powerful governments already possess the ability to manipulate time? For years, time travel was considered science fiction. But today, physicists believe it could be theoretically possible. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time slows down as you approach the speed of light. This means that if you were on a spaceship traveling close to the speed of light, time would pass slower for you than for people on Earth. Even Stephen Hawking admitted that time travel into the future is scientifically possible, though traveling into the past remains uncertain. Other theories include wormholes. hypothetical tunnels in space-time that could act as shortcuts between distant locations, or even different times. Cosmic strings, thin energy threads stretching across the universe that might allow time loops to form. Quantum mechanics. Some scientists believe that parallel universes and quantum entanglement could hold the key to time travel. With these advancements, could time travel become a reality in our lifetime? If time travel is possible, then the biggest question is, are time travelers already here? Some theorists believe that certain individuals throughout history have shown evidence of time manipulation, like Leonardo da Vinci, whose sketches included helicopters, tanks, and futuristic technology centuries ahead of his time. Then, there's the mystery of sudden geniuses, people who wake up with extraordinary knowledge or abilities, seemingly out of nowhere. Could they have memories from a future timeline? Even modern-day billionaires like Elon Musk have hinted at time travel, with Musk famously joking, "I am a time traveler from the future." Was he joking, or revealing a hidden truth? Time travel has fascinated humanity for centuries, and while it remains one of the greatest mysteries, there's growing evidence that it might already be happening. Are time travelers watching history unfold right now? Could they be influencing world events from behind the scenes? Or maybe, just maybe, one of us is a time traveler without even realizing it. Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you love exploring hidden truths and unexplained mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.